Hi, what can I help you?
Hi, can you check why my car air conditioner not working?
Sure, but give me a minute for me to check your car.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Okay, I might find the problem. The problem is the problem is your car condenser is broke now, and it need to takes about 2 days for me to fix it because I got another car to fix now.
Definitely can. After 2 days, I will come back.
Can you come back after 2 days? Okay.
Hi, what about my car air conditioner? Is it as usual?
Yes, about your car, I've already fixed it, and your car is around back there.
So, what about the price where I have to pay?
You can pay at the front cashier. About the price, it's going to be around 200.
It's a bit expensive, but it doesn't matter.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, can I ask you something? Why is my air conditioner still a problem when yesterday it was just repaired in this workshop?
I think I already fixed all the thing that your car is the got problem, and probably the car starting to getting problem because you didn't take care of it properly.
I'm sorry to say this, but I'm really disappointed with the result of your work repairing my car air conditioner. How can you fix this?
I'm afraid that I cannot fix it for now because we already ran out of condenser for now. Yeah, I hope you can understand it.
How do you work?
How do I work? Well, miss, I already do my job at the best one, so I hope you can understand.
If you do not want to be responsible for what have you done, I will make a complaint to your manager that you do your work carelessly.
Excuse me? What is going on here? Is everything alright?
No, your staff do not service my car properly and he is using bad quality items.
Okay, I want a confirmation. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am. I did change the broken one with the old one because didn't have the newest one.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry for what just happened to you. Actually, he been working here for just a week, so he is not very proficient in this field yet. But don't you worry, I will give a full training to my staff. And one more thing about the bad quality item, I will ask my staff to replace the new one with the higher quality item, okay? I'm so sorry about my stuff. I hope you can understand.
It's okay, I understand. Thank you for your kindness.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Hi, can you change my cover set GTR R34? Is it still available?
Oh, about the GTR 4, let me check it first. Um, yeah, still available.
Oh, how much of this cover set? Can I have it at lower price?
How much this cover set is? Around 800. That's the lowest one I can give it to you.
Why the price of my cover set more expensive than the price in the other stores?
It is because our set is from Japan and it's the original one. And I don't know if other stores sold it copy one or else, because we did really import it from Japan.
Can I see your manager? I want to complain about this issue.
You want to see my manager? Wait, I call her. Manager!
Yes, sir. What can I help you? Is there any problem?
Hi miss, I want to complain about your workers giving me a high price for the GTR R34 cover set. Why can this happen?
Really? Okay, Alif, why you do that to our customer?
Sorry ma'am, because I did it because the cover set is the original one from the Japan, and we know that the R34 cover set is getting low in supplies because there is no more factories that produce the cover set, and this one is the original one from the factory.
Okay, so that's why my staff charge you a bit higher because the R34 set is import from Japan and it's original.
Why did my friend came here, bought a cover set as me, but the price is cheaper than the price offered?
Okay, now I feel guilty for you. I'm so sorry about my staff. Alif, you should treat all our customers equally, okay? I don't want this kind of thing happen again. You understand or not?
Yes ma'am.